Okay, since I showed you how to change the view on a video, let's go on YouTube settings. So here's the video here. Here's the settings button. Click it. There's 4 different settings. 1, autoplay. 2, annotations. The speed and quality. Now when we start a video, it'll be automatic to which quality it is, compared to your internet speed and your computer speed as well. Now I click quality. There's 180p, and it can go up to 4K. As of right now, 720, 480, 360, and keeps getting worse as you go. So I go 180p, it loads the video quick. When you have a slow connection, go to either 720 or 480. Now 480 is not bad, not the best either, but it works. So that's one way to do it. Now speed, it just shows the speed of the video. It goes slow, we can make it fast. Not much there to really do. Animations, just click that and it shows information of the video, like the donate button or next video to watch, or someone's channel. Autoplay, just after the video is done, it plays the next video on the arrow here, or on the bottom here on your up next screen on the bottom. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have any questions, leave them in the comments, and have a wonderful day. See ya.